Respected students of knowledge, viewers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So we are going to continue with the part 4 of our lesson 1 today, inshallah. But before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and share, like, then comment. So you can equally comment. Like I have said, the PDF format of the book we are going to be using for this our great journey is Nurul Bayan. If you equally need it, just drop your email on the comment section, and inshallah it will get to you. So quickly, in our part 1 of this lesson, so the last lesson we had was part 3. So today is going to be part 4. So of learning a journey into the Arabic alphabet. So now we learned the first 7 alphabets in our first lesson, the second 7, and the third one equally in the part 3 of our lesson 1. So today, inshallah, we are going to be completing to the Arabic alphabet to make it 28 letters. So we are going to be completing it to make 28 letters, but briefly, let's quickly just revise like we do in every lesson. So the first one is what? Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Zayn, Sin, Shin, Sad, Bod, Qa, Gha, Ain, Ghain, Faf, Qaf. So the next one is what? Kaf. So it's written like this. Kaf. Say that I mean. Kaf. Kaf. Kaf code is equivalent to K in the English alphabet. So the next one is what? Lam. Lam. Kaf and lam are similar. The difference is that kaf will always have this sign in it. So this is kaf, this is lam. Lam is equivalent to like L in the English alphabet. Lam. Mim. The next one is what? Mim. Say it. Mim is the letter of the lips. We are going to look at the articulation. Mim. So mim is equivalent to, let's say, M in the English alphabet. So the next one is what? Nun. Nun has similar shape with ba, ta, ta. The only difference is that it has a dot at the top. Nun and ba are very, very similar with the same number of dots. But the difference is that ba has dots below and nun has dots at the top. So take note of this, very, very important. Take note of this. So this is nun. Nun is equivalent to N in the English alphabet. N, or I can use a capital form. If any, so whether capital or small, all the same. All the same. So this name nun. The next one is what? Wow. So Wow. Wow is also the letter of the lip, but they will not really touch one another. And you look at how you shaping the lips. Wow. 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 The next one is what? Ha. 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 So how is similar to Hamza. So let's call this one even Hamza because the format I want to use, I'm not bringing an Hamza for us. So the last alphabet is what? Ya. Ya. So, but in some texts, they will bring what? If you want to take those that say it's 29, you will put an Hamza, maybe after wow, ha, or Hamza, wow. So, irrespective, but we are going to explain all this as we move on. So, after wow, ha, this ha is like they call it hababa. That's Hamza, ha. So I'm going. Let's put an Hamza here. Let's say this one is not. It's Hamza because the sound. That means the form we use to write them. We are talking of the 28 sounds. So Hamza and Alif are the same. So let's put Al Hamza there. So this one is going to be the bigger form of Hamza. The bigger form. That's why they say ha baba. So if you call this one ha, this one will not be ha. This one ha, ha. Is that understood? Ha. Then this one is ya. Ya. Ya is equivalent to, let's say, Y in the English. Y is equivalent to, let's say, W in the English alphabet. So is that understood? So but at times ya is written in other forms. We are going to come and look. At times they just write it like this without putting any dot. But ya used to have 2 dots beneath. But I think if it's written like this, because no any other shapes have this form, so you should know that it is ya. But in most cases, where they don't put dots, in those places it is used for stretch purpose, elongation, because we use equally ya and what? Wow for stretch purpose. So when we come to learning Uruful Med, you are going to understand this better, and other forms of writing some of these letters as we proceed. So the most important today is I want to get the last 7, the sound. So this one we say is what? Kaf. Say after me. Kaf. 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 Lam. 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 Mim. 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 Noon. 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 Wow. 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 Ya. 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 Once more. Calf. Say it after me. Calf. Lam. Lam. Mim. Mim. Noon. Say it after me. Noon. Wow. Wow. How. How. Ya. Ya. So we're going to read it from beginning. So we're going to now complete our poem today. Bismillah. So Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha. Say it. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, jim ha kha dal zal ra zay sin shin sad. Say it. Zal dal zal ra zay sin shin sad. Dot ta za ain ghain fa qaf. Say it. Dot ta za ain ghain fa qaf. Kaf lam mim nun waw ha ya. Kaf lam mim nun waw ha ya. Alif ba ta tha jim ha kha. Say it. Alif ba ta tha jim ha kha dal zal ra zay sin shin sa. Say it. Dal zal ra zay sin shin sad. Dot ta wa ain ghain fa qaf. Say it. Dot ta wa ain ghain fa qaf. Kaf lam mim nun waw ha ya. Say it. Kaf lam mim nun waw ha ya. Alif ba ta tha jim ha kha. Alif ba ta tha jim ha kha dal dal ra zay sin shin sad. Say it. Dal dal ra zay sin shin sad. Dot ta dha ain ghain fa qaf. Dot ta dha ain ghain fa qaf. Kaf lam mim nun waw ha ya. Kaf lam mim nun waw ha ya. Say it after me as I sing. Alif ba ta tha jim ha kha. Alif ba ta tha jim ha kha dal dal ra zay sin shin sad. Dal dal ra zay sin shin sad. Dot ta dha ain ghain fa qaf. Dot ta dha ain ghain fa qaf. Kaf lam mim nun waw ha ya. Kaf lam mim nun waw ha ya. Alif alif ba ta tha jim ha kha dal zal ra zay sin shin sad. Dot ta dha ain ghain fa qaf. Kaf lam mim nun waw ha ya. Alif ba ta tha jim ha kha dal zal ra zay sin shin sad. Dot ta dha ain ghain fa qaf. Kaf lam mim nun waw ha ya. Alif ba ta tha jim ha kha dal zal ra zay sin shin sad. Dot ta dha ain ghain fa qaf. Kaf lam mim nun waw ha ya. Alif alif ba ta tha jim ha kha dal zal ra zay sin shin sad. Dot ta dha ain ghain fa qaf. Kaf lam mim nun waw ha ya. هذا وصلى الله على نبي المصطفى وعلى آله وأصحابه الأيام وسلم تسليما كثيرا. So this is the end of our lesson 1 So we have completed the Arabic alphabet, Huruf al-Hijaiyya. So inshallah, in the next two parts of this, we are going to be looking at few exercises to help us understand better and memorize this letter. I'm going to be testing us. So inshallah, after that we'll be moving straight to harakat, the Arabic vowels. So watch out for my next lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share with family and friends. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.